it's a very positive and ambitious target, and it tells you that the AB Group is still in the fray and they want to keep the flagship company going. Now, all this means well thought out plans, but how the execution is going to be a million-dollar question. You also have to realize that if there is a right issue to fund it, then the government owns 33%. Will they participate? The promoters have assured they want to put money, but at least the liquidity, if they manage to raise that could be a game changer. Given that 5G and ARPUs are rising now, you see, Vodafone has never defaulted on any bank loan. It has always been the government as far as spectrum and other places, and that interest was converted into equity. So it's an ambitious target, and I still think that they will be, the third player, whether he's half or 0.75, and we'll wait for how the funding is arranged. But like I said, if you are invested, then just stay put, wait for the further news, how they develop. But it is definitely telling us that with rising ARPUs, today Sunil Bharti said ARPUs from 200 can hit 300 now for Bharti, and Vodafone is still at 140. So I think that will be an added advantage. And if they can get their funding correct, then 5G becomes a big play for them over a period of time.
Sanjeev, on the matter of this ARPU rising, there are two sections. One say that Sunil Bharti and his team has been talking about a case for higher ARPUs for some time now, while others, including some brokerage community analysts, actually believe that by mid next year you could see a bump up coming in. Is the stock pricing it or not yet at $1,200 about Bharti, and it will have a rub off on Jio as well?
Yeah, good morning, Ajay. And Sunil Bharti is not saying from now. I've been tracking Bharti. I own it from 550 levels, and it was there when Bharti was close to 140, 145. If you recall with Jio, and he that time assured that 200 is coming, 200 is there, and you've seen that the appetite for data, the processing data is the new gold, and I think with inflation, with wealth effect, 300 on ARPU over a period of time is definitely achievable, which also means that Bharti and Jio both will be riding their way to the bank. And I still think that Bharti is not priced in the 300 rupee ARPU. Also, you must realize that now with the payment banks and so on, they are all moving into more technology-driven fintech apps, which I think over a period of time will also add to the revenue. So we think Bharti closer to 1100 could give you a very good opportunity. And if you are there, then Bharti and Reliance continue to be the top picks. Vodafone will be a dark horse. It's rallied from 11 to 18. It will plateau around these 15 levels till you get more clarity. But ARPUs are definitely going to rise over a period of time.